I actually suggest for you guys to actually watch this video first of all. Then when you want to actually implement, then you start watching it and you start implementing and make that work for yourself done, and you make money for yourself. So what I literally do on this channel is that I go out to source for what works, I bring it back to this channel and show you guys what you can actually do to make money with it. And to actually encourage me on this channel, please, I will actually encourage you to actually hit the like button for me, and subscribe to the channel for you to actually join my channel, and smash on the bell icon so you can. What that bell icon does, that it's whenever a new awesome video is being published to this channel, YouTube is gonna send you a notification that Dominion just published a new video and you're gonna watch and make money for yourself. So let's dive into this platform to actually show you guys. The platform which we're gonna be using for today is actually called PiggyVest, guys. As you can see it here, PiggyVest. I'm going to show you guys how you can actually do it right now, right here. So the only thing you've got to do is just to stick to this video from the beginning to the end. So first of all, guys, let's show you guys how. So first of all, you click on the first link in the description box below. The first link in the description box below is going to take you to this space where you can actually sign up. So first thing you put your full name here. If it's actually Dominion, you put it here, which is realdominionaudu, and so on and so forth. But we're not actually creating a new account. So when you put your first name, then you go down here again and input your email address. So after email address, then your phone number, then your preferred password. So after your preferred password, then you put your referral code, which if you just click on the link in the description box below, it's gonna take you to this space. It's gonna fill it up for you. And how did you get to know us? You just click it up and just come here to say an online blog or family. Just choose anyone literally. So it's gonna take you to this place. But I found out that most of you are actually watching with your phone, not with your PC. So I'm gonna show you guys right into my phone. I'm going to dive into my phone right now to show you guys how you can actually do this and get that income for yourself, guys. So let's go straight into it. Okay guys, welcome back. We're on our screen right now, so let's dive into our our application right now, which is PiggyVest. And I'm going to show you guys how you can literally use it right now. Yeah, now to actually make that income for yourself. And as the application is actually popping, working up, I'll actually encourage you to actually hit the like button for me, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Now turn on the bell icon. So what that bell icon actually does is that whenever a new man making videos again is being published to this channel, YouTube is gonna send you a notification that Dominion just published a new video to this channel. Okay guys, let's go to my you can see my screen right now. So the only thing you got to do when you've actually signed up, as you can see here, I have some balance here that say that this is what I've been doing for quite a long time now. So you're gonna see different things here right up here, and as you can see, okay, it's actually loading my dashboard again because I clicked on refresh. Okay, so as you can see here, it's gonna tell you to actually input all these details here. As you can see, it says tell us more about yourself. So when you just click up on this, so you just choose your gender right here, which is male. This is another account, guys. So then you just choose your date of birth. So let's actually go there. And, how do you earn in a year? So you just choose how much you earn in a year. So let's go. So in a year, okay. And relationship status, you can just put single there. Employment status, you can actually put students or self-employed. So let's just put self-employed because we're actually self-employed. Then click on finish. Okay, so as you can see, finish, and it says tell us more about yourself again. So just click on it again, and just fill in all these details here. So this is another details, and then you come to this setup automatic savings. That's when you want to actually save, because what this app actually does is it's actually a savings app where you can actually save from 100 naira upward every day. And without even the savings, I'm going to actually show you guys how you can actually make money right now right here with it. So let's actually jump into it because I don't want this video to be actually very long. So when you've actually filled all these details here, so as you can see all of them here. You can actually do your work results and flex now different things. So that's not all. So this is the savings tab. This is the savings tab, guys, and this is the investment tab, where you can actually invest on stock markets and invest on farms, and cashew nuts, different things online, guys. So and these let's go to this apps account sections. So what we're actually doing is referrals, guys. As you can see, they have a high referral stuff here, so you can actually make nothing less than 30,000 every week, and that's what I actually do on this account. So let's just click on this page that says refer and earn 1,000 naira for just one referral, guys. As you can see, one referrals. I've referred 4 people today, and I've gotten 4,000 naira. So 4,000 naira. So that's actually how it is. So you just click on copy here and share out your links to people. So when you just click on this copy right now, you just go to your Facebook, Instagram, even your WhatsApp status, your people all around the the globe, and I'll just broadcast it, write a news about them. If you can't write a blog, just give them, send my video link, this one you're actually watching right now. Just click on share, then copy the link and send it to them, so they're going to understand how this thing actually works. So when these guys actually sign up on this place, you're going to get 1,000 naira, but you can't actually withdraw it. So when you actually tell them that they should sign up and invest just 100 naira. That's why I actually show you guys that 100 naira in the first place on my system, that you can actually use 100 naira to make this money. So you're just using 100 naira, you will actually activate yours and they will actually activate theirs. And as you can see on my TikTok balance here, showing 4,100 naira. Yeah, so that's literally how it is. So when they actually do it, your funds will be unlocked, and now for you to make money online and you can't withdraw it, it's actually out of bound. There it's not making sense. So you just come to this account. Let me show you guys how you can actually withdraw your money. So you just scroll down a bit and you can see withdraw funds. So you withdraw your funds, either your referrals or the one you actually invested. So that's literally how it is on this channel, and on this account, on this platform. So as you can see it here, it says add BVN or NIRA. You can actually add them. They're actually secured with different even they're actually secured with CBN, Central Bank of Nigeria, and different things, guys. So that's literally what I've got for you guys. It's actually an update for you guys to actually cash out big, because their referral stuff is very, very high. Referral bonus is very, very high. So use the opportunity to make money for yourself. So that'll be all for today, guys. That'll be all for today. I'm sure you guys understood about everything about this video, and you guys actually got value. So please like, subscribe, and also share this video.